Okay, Yellowdiamond channel, where here it's all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Yes, it is. Okay, you guys, as y'all can tell by the title, yes, I am making fried liver. Now, not your typical calf liver. We are doing fried chicken liver. I eat it all the time. If you have tried it, comment it below. If you haven't, let me know. So let's get to cooking. You will need some nice, clean, washed liver. We have it right here. Oh, I can't wait, y'all. My mouth is watering. You will need diamond dust. You might need a little salt later on after you fry it. You will need some flour, cornstarch, and oil. So first you will season the liver with diamond dust. We want to mix that seasoning on the liver. Make sure every piece get that diamond dust on there. Nice and coated. Okay, next we're going to make the flour batter. We're just going to put some flour, about two cups full of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and some diamond dust. We're going to mix that up in the bag. Make sure the flour, the cornstarch, and the diamond dust is all mixed and blended. Okay. We're going to put the seasoned liver in the bag. I'd say put like about 10 pieces in there. And we're going to shake it up to coat every piece of liver with that flour mixture. And that's what you want. Now let's get to frying it. Okay, we got the electric skillet. We're gonna add some oil. The grease is nice and hot, and you can test it out by sprinkling a little flour. Let's give it about another 5 minutes. Okay, you guys, the grease is nice and hot. We tested it out. So let's put our first piece of liver. See how well coated it is? Shake that extra flour off. Fried liver. fried chicken liver. Yum! Hey you guys, here goes the Southern comfort food of fried chicken liver. Y'all grab y'all a piece and try it. Hey, don't say nothing until you try it. Now, if you like liver, if you have had calf liver before, you will like this for sure. And the ones that have never had liver, try it. Fried chicken liver. Let's try it, y'all. And we're just gonna try it plain. You can have dipping sauce with it. You can eat it plain. You can have ranch. You can have blue cheese. You can have barbecue sauce. You can have anything. Okay, let's get this piece. This got, look at that. Got that good old season. Woo! Ooh, hot. Ooh. So good.